Assalamu alaikum students, class 8th and ninth. Our topic is active passive voice. Today we will do present continuous tense passive voice, and in present continuous tense we will first of all we will do simple sentence. We will learn how to change an active voice of present continuous tense in passive voice. All of you know the formula of changing an active voice into passive voice. That formula is, first of all comes object, then comes helping verb, then comes third form of verb, then comes by, and then comes subject. Okay. The first sentence of present continuous, okay, and simple sentence I have written, the boys are playing football in the ground. Now all of you know what we will do. First of all, we will divide it into subject, then verb, and then object. The boys are playing football in the ground. In it, boys is the subject, playing is the verb, football is the object. Okay, now this is the formula. First of all, remember that what are the helping verbs used in the passive voice of present continuous tense. All of you know, if remember the table of helping verbs used in passive voice, in present continuous passive voice we use the helping verb is being, are being, and am being. I have dictated you this in my previous lecture. Is being, are being, and am being. Okay. Now this is the formula. Now put all the pieces of the active voice according to this formula to make a passive voice. Okay. Football. Football. We will leave the place for the helping verb as we will think about it later on. Okay, football. Then third form of verb. Okay, this is the verb playing. In it, first form of verb is used, play. The main verb is play and plus ing. Okay, so what will we do? The word play, this form of verb play, it will be converted into third form of verb, and third form of verb of play is played. Okay, played, played, played. Football dash played. Now the word by will come, by. Now the subject will come. What is the subject? The boys. Football dash played by the boys in the ground. This is coming at the end, so it will not change its place. It will come at the end. In the ground. Okay. Now what helping verb will we use here? All of you know that this sentence, the boys are playing football in the ground, this is of present continuous. And in present continuous, when we make a passive voice, we use the helping verb is being, are being, am being. All of you know is, the helping verb is used with he, she, it and singular noun. The helping verb are is used with we, you, they and plural nouns. And the helping verb am, it is used with I. Now here football. Football is the singular noun. So here we will use the word is being. The helping verb is being. Now it is complete. Football is being played by the boys in the ground. Now student, note one thing. Why we have used the word being? All of you know that in active voice, the verb that is used, that is playing. Okay. Now play, the main verb is play. Okay. Play will be converted into played, into third form of verb. Where will ing go? So we will convert it into being. B-E-I-N-G, being. Okay. Football is being played by the boys in the ground. Okay. Now this is your present continuous passive voice of simple sentence. Okay. Now we will make the passive voice of present continuous tense, but our sentence will be the negative. Okay. Our sentence will be the negative. Now we will change this sentence into the negative sentence, and it will be like this. The boys are not playing football in the ground. Okay. Now again student, this is a negative sentence of present continuous tense and we have to change it into passive voice. First of all, what will we do? We will divide the active voice into subject, verb and object. Boys is the subject, playing is the verb, football is the object. Okay. Now put all these words according to this formula. Now football, okay, football. Now leave the place for the helping verb as we think about the helping verb later on. If your helping verb is wrong, your whole passive voice will be crossed. You will be given 0 mark. Okay, that's why I am teaching you to leave the place for the helping verb and think about it very carefully after making the whole passive voice. Okay, football, then the place for the helping verb. Okay, now third form of verb we will write here, playing. In active voice there is the verb playing, it will be changed into played. Okay, football dash played. Now will come the word by, so we put the word by. Now will come the subject. What is the subject? The boys, so it will be put here. Football dash played by the boys. Now in the ground, it is coming at the last, so it will come in the last here too. Now this is complete. Just we have to put the correct helping verb here. Now for putting correct helping verb, we will focus on the active voice, that which tense is it. The boys are not playing football, are playing. It is the present continuous. Okay, and all of you know in present continuous tense we use the helping verbs is being, are being, am being. So football, it is the singular noun, so here we will use is being. Okay, now students, you have to focus another thing too. Now football is being played by the boys in the ground. This is not correct. Why? Because the active voice is in negative form, so we have to put here not to. Okay, football is not being. Okay, students, when you have helping verb, that is a group of 2 words. For example, is or am, these are the helping verbs and these are the singular words. Is a single word, are, this is a single word, am, this is a single word. But some helping verbs are in a form that are a group of two words. For example, is being. These are two words. Is being. It is a helping verb, but it is made of two words. When you have such a helping verb that is made of two words, for example, is being, are being, am being, was being, were being, has been, have been, had been, will have been, shall have been. When you have such type of helping verbs which are made of two words or three words, then you put the word not between them. Okay? For example, is being. Now I have to put the word not. I will put it between is and being. Football is not being. Okay? You can notice I have put the word not between is and being. Football is not being played by the boys in the ground. Now it is the complete passive voice of present continuous tense and negative sentence. Okay. Now we will do the example of present continuous active voice and interrogative sentence. Okay. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. I just write sen, sen. Okay, sent, sentence. This is the short form of sentence. I don't have the place. Okay. Okay, now student, this is the third example. We are going to do the passive voice of present continuous tense, and sentence will be the interrogative. This is the formula of passive voice. Now I'll write the active voice. Are the boys playing football? Are the boys playing football in the ground? Okay. Last word is ground. Ground. Are the boys playing football in the ground? Now, first thing we have to do, very first thing, that is we have to divide this active voice into subject, verb and object. All of you know boys is the subject, playing is the verb and football is the object. Now change it into passive voice. Now you know object will come at the first, football. Football. Okay. Then helping verb. All of you know in active voice, are the boys playing football in the ground? Where is the helping verb? This is the helping verb. Helping verb is coming at the start. Okay. Helping verb is coming at the start. Why? Because it is the interrogative sentence. Okay. And we will put the question mark at the end. Now helping verb is coming at the start. So I have left the space for helping verb at the start. And we will put here the helping verb after completing the passive voice. And we will think about the helping verb very carefully. Now, object football. I have taken the object football and I have put it here. Then the helping verb will come at the start as it is the interrogative sentence. Then will come the third form of verb. Okay. Now here this is the verb, playing. Play will be converted into third form of verb, played. Football, played. Then we will put the word by. Okay. Now I have put the word by. Now I will bring the subject here. What is the subject? The boys. The football played by the boys in the ground is coming at the last, so it will be at the last. In the ground. Okay. Now this is the interrogative sentence. So the active voice is in interrogative form. So the passive voice will also be in interrogative form. Okay. Now this is the present continuous active voice. So you know when we change an active voice of present continuous tense into passive voice, the helping verb that we use, they are is being, are being, am being. So here we will use a helping verb. Foot, according to football. Football is singular noun. So here we will use is football noun. Students, you have to note one thing, that we will use the helping verb is being in this form. Is football being. Being will come here. You know, is being is a complete helping verb. It is made of two words. And now this helping verb is used in this form in interrogative passive voice. Is football being played by the boys in the ground? And now we will put the question mark here, because this is the passive voice in interrogative form. Clear? Now student, your lecture today has completed. We have done present continuous tense and tense for making a passive voice, and it is a interrogative sentence. We have done first the simple sentence. We change the simple sentence active voice into passive voice. Then we change the negative sentence active voice into passive voice. Then we change the interrogative sentence active voice into interrogative passive voice, and our tense was present continuous. All of you class 8th and 9th, all of you have to do these examples on your neat copies, and you have to share all these work in my group, WhatsApp group. Okay, so till my next lecture, Allah Hafiz.